Happy holidays. My name is Jerry Virtuoso, and today I'm going to prepare a really awesome meal for you. Dedicating this special meal to one of my special friends and chef, Ralph Lipoli. He loved Beef Wellington, and it's so dear to my heart. And around this holiday season, it just says Christmas, you know, it just says holidays. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to show you how to butcher it. I'm going to show you how to cook it. I just know it's going to be something you're going to really love. This is a really nice prime filet mignon that I use. We're going to want to take this whole silver skin out and butcher it. And then what we're going to do from there, we're going to just kind of go in and get about maybe a nice 4-pound portion for our Beef Wellington. We're going to tie it. Tying just really holds the nice form when you're searing this beef. The reason why we're tying this to actually hold its shape and form, and it's better for the finished product. We're just gonna kind of season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. We want to go with a nice middle cut, right? This here is, they call this the bullet meat, much tougher. You definitely want to go with the nice middle piece here. So we're gonna just use the beautiful middle piece that we prepare from the filet mignon. So we're going to make sure our pan is really, really hot because we want to sear it. We're not going to cook it. We're just going to brown it. We're going to just add a little bit of oil in our pan. I don't like to put a lot of oil, to be honest with you. Go a little bit of oil right there. We're going to wait till that gets nice and hot, like I said, to make a perfect sear on this beef. There you go. That's how you know it's ready. You always kind of do a test run before you actually sear it. There you go. See? So, okay. We're going to go ahead and, like I said, after this, prepare our duxelles. After this is nicely seared, you can see that nice sear going through. We just took it off the pan, and it's still nice and hot. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this beautiful French mustard. And I just put a little bit of nice little herbs in there. We're just going to kind of brush it really nice. We're going to let this just cool off a little bit. And while that's going on, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my duxelles. And duxelles is really a French word meaning sauté of mushrooms. And I like to use shiitake mushrooms. You could use whatever mushrooms you want, regular mushrooms, baby portobellos. I really like the shiitake mushrooms a lot. So we're going to go ahead. So if you don't want to have a 4th of July in your kitchen, it'd be very wise for you to not skip this step. We're going to saute a little bit of nice sweet onion for our mushroom duxelles. Be careful when you're working with butter. You don't want to heat so high that it's going to brown and develop a different taste. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add some really nice fresh herbs to the duxelles. A little salt, a little pepper to taste. A lot of people use sherry to deglaze the. That always helps. That's good, right? And we're going to wrap our Wellington, and we're going to use prosciutto di Parma. We're going ahead and we're going to put that beautiful mushroom paste on there. Oh my God, it smells awesome, man. I love it. The smell is awesome. Just kind of want to get that really over. We're going to take that off anyway. We want to get this really nice and tight. place this in the refrigerator. It's really nice and molded, like a nice little Tootsie Roll. We're gonna place it in the refrigerator for 5 to 7 minutes. So this is a brioche dough. And during my research, which I'll explain in a minute, this is actually Nick's quick brioche dough. You can find it online, Google it. I'm telling you, it saved you a lot of time. Nick's quick brioche recipe from Nick Maggiolini. So now we have our brioche dough, and we're gonna place our filet and our duxelles over here, and we're gonna wrap it tightly with plastic wrap. We've gone ahead and our prosciutto roll was in the refrigerator for 5 to 7 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this and put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Like I said, guys, the first rule, you wanna be patient. So here we go, we're gonna use that plastic wrap as kind of a guide. As if you're rolling a sushi. It's kind of very similar, actually. So the Wellington has been in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. At this point, we're gonna put a nice egg wash on it and bake it in a preheated oven for 350 degrees for about a half hour. We're gonna place it in our oven that's already been preheating at 350 degrees. Beef Wellington, and we just took it out of the oven. So you want that rest for about 20 minutes before you actually cut into it. So here it is, the perfect Beef Wellington. It's been in the oven for 40 minutes at 350 degrees, and it's ready to be eaten with our loved ones. I want to dedicate this once again to Chef Ralph Lopoli. Bon appetit. And from my kitchen to yours, have a wonderful, happy holiday season.